Hello friends, this time we are here in Nimrana Forts. So you can see this is the entire fort and we are living in Sheela Mahal. So I will take you for a room tour. Till then, look at the scenery. This is the scenery behind me. And I'll have a beautiful sunset, which obviously I'll show you. So this is the reception area. It's beautiful view. Meet Sonal, my friend from United States, Chicago.
Namaste.
Nice. So meet these two lovely people. Without mask, yes.
Hello.
You already met her. She's the second one. Name, please.
Oh, मेरे को लगा आकांक्षा.
The entire view from here of the fort. Isn't this pretty? We have arrived. It's 2 p.m. We have just checked in. So we have various activities here and we're going to cover all of them. And we'll let you know how it goes. Till then, look at the view behind me. Isn't this crazy? Come for the room tour. So this is our lavish Sheela Mahal. We have this. And then we have 3 beds, 1 single and 2 double beds. Come. And we have jacuzzi. So this can easily occupy at least 5 people. If you're planning to come with your family, I think this is the room that you should take. So all of you can stay together. So this is the pool area, which is closed right now because of COVID. We're not allowed to dive in. But yes, you can come here, sit, enjoy, and look at this amazing view. Now look at Sonal. She's exhausted and she's enjoying the sunset. Beautiful sunset from Sheela Mahal balcony. We are all ready for gala dinner. So we have a Bharatanatyam show, I guess, or a dance show. I'm not really sure, but we are going there. So this is how the night view looks. Look at this. This is the entire fort view for the night. Entire city view.
सन्ततं चिन्तयेनन्तम् अन्तकाले विशेषतः सन्ततं चिन्तयेनन्तम् अन्तकाले
This is where we'll be served the gala dinner. Yes, guys, girls all prepped.
Girls all ready and going for dinner.
Someone please let me know what are the food items that we have. What are the food
Look at
items?
this pasta bag. It's mushrooms,
Ah,
zucchini, onion, peppers.
salad store. And we have dosa counter. Wow. Mutton. This is how it looks. They have Chinese tofu chili semi sauce. Vegetable hookah. Wow, my favorite. And kadai paneer. And this is papad. This fort was developed, I think, 500 years ago, and then it was turned into a hotel. The sun has come up. I missed the sunrise, but still the view is very nice, and it's so calm in here, soothing. Breakfast. What are we doing here?
Going ziplining.
Yeah. So we will do our. This is my first zip lining. Yours is second, right? Our second zip lining. Hello, we just had breakfast and now we are here for ziplining. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. The sun is fine, it's not too hot right now. And we're going, we have multiple treks and then we'll go up there and we'll start our ziplining from there. So if you want to do ziplining here in Imrana, it will cost you around 1800, and if you want to have videography, you have to pay a little more, I think 1000 for the entire group. So you need to have at least maximum 2 hours for this trek and ziplining and the entire thing, and minimum 1.5 hours. So you have two kind of ziplining here. One is the entire fort ziplining and the other one is the shorter one, but the difference is just 300. So the shorter one is for 1500 and the entire fort is 1800. So obviously opt for the entire one. But yeah, the trekking is more like it's like 750 meter to go on the top, and there are multiple small stretches also, and that depends, and we'll see how long it is and we'll keep making videos there as well. So we are all excited.
So harness.
What are you preparing for, Akansha?
We're preparing for zip lining.
And what are these?
These are like special harness given to people who are like
What?
who are like who need extra care and
Oh.
support. So that is why.
Oh,
we
you
like-
got two of
Yeah,
them,
we've
right?
got this.
And she just got one.
So just.
Oh,
just-
that's fine.
The truth is, like, you know, for heavier people, it's like extra harness that you have, and for the lean people like these, you don't
Ah,
have these.
she's
extra
stupid.
harness.
We are on the trek. Ooh. कितना रहता है और
50% हो गया
20% steep है.
वो अपने आप कैप्चर कर 1 2 3
My first rope. I'm all set to go. And then, as always, we are ending our trip. So this is one of the best weekend getaway from Delhi. If you want to, go away from the hustle bustle of Delhi, you can easily come here. It's a two and a half hour drive from Delhi. And if you live in Gurgaon, it's like 2 hours. And you can, where in the world you will get to live in a fort? I've never seen that. So if you want to feel that royal feel, and then everybody's treating you like a queen and king, of course, you can obviously anytime come here. It's on an expensive side, no doubt, but if you're coming in a group like us, like we were 4 of us, so we had this room, entire room for us. There are 5 beds. Obviously you can divide between friends, and this can be very cheap. Otherwise, if you take one room, that is quite expensive here. And the gala dinner that we had, that was for 1500, and that is not inclusive of your stay. You have to purchase that. So, when you consider everything, then it comes on expensive side. But one day you should definitely come here. Totally recommend it.